All right, so let's try this out. Let's see, new game, and play. I start out in the outside entrance. I go east. Try to go back. Ah, I'm not going back. What do I go? West. I'm trying to go back. Okay, so let's try to do some debugging here. I'm going to clear this. And so a nice tool for debugging, let's see, I'm going to do it in a player class, I think, is if you click on a line here, you get this little stop sign. So I'm going to look at enter room and I want to look at back. And you can run your code and it'll stop right there. If you don't see these numbers, there's on Windows it's under the Tools menu, but on the Mac it's under Preferences. You get this Preferences window, and you just have to make sure that Display Line Numbers is checked. And you can see all the line numbers. That's helpful too for when you get error messages and stuff. But anyway, let me close this out and run this with the debugger. And let's see here. So go east. Okay, and it stops here. So current room, and I see something right now. What I wanted to push was I wanted to push the current room if the current room's not null. I bet that's my problem. Let me see. So this debugger comes up and it gives you all kinds of nice information about the current state of your variables and all that jazz. And you can even, like if you have an object, you can click on it and get details on it and stuff like that. But I'm going to hit terminate because I think I found already what the problem was. Go into player and I'm going to unstop these and I'm going to say push the current room. I think that's the problem. Let's see. All right, so now if I say go east, I'm in the lectures theater. If I say go back, then I'm back in the main entrance. Okay, cool. Okay, so it looks like that's resolved. So, yeah, so I hope that helps. Oh, and items, let's see, did we do, is the items done already? Clear this guy. And try playing again and see. Oh, what does items do exactly? Is that implement items per exercise 632? Prints out all items currently carried. Oh, and their total weight. I don't know if we implemented weight yet, but let's see. Oh, so we have to be able to, where do we have any items anyway? Let's see. We had that red book someplace, right? In the pub. All right, so if I go west, I'll go to the pub. Okay. Go west. And take book and items. Do we have it? Hey, okay, good. All right, so that's implemented. Okay, so then we need to do eat cookie. Oh, so we're going to have to implement, we're going to have to add, I don't think we have weight in our items at this point. So, oh no, you do, I'm sorry. Okay, so we have weight in our items. So what we need, I guess we need to have like a max weight. Do we have that? Yes, and we have a max weight that that we can carry. I'm not sure. I'm not clear on the difference between max weight and limit. But so I guess what we want is when we take an item, drop item. Oh, and we have can pick up. Sweet. Okay, so we're checking to see. Perfect. So we go through all the items and see if they, if their weight changes. So, or to see if they are bigger than the max weight or not. Okay, so then I guess what we need is, oh, I see, limit has to do with the number of moves. Okay, good. So then what we need is eat, okay, eat cookie. Oh, sweet. Okay, so if item name equals cookie, then we add to our max weight. Okay, that's cool. All right, so let's see. So eat. So do we have any cookies? Cookie. Okay, so the cookie is in the office. All right, and how do I get to the office? Oh, you know what? There should be some kind of a message. Do you have a message coming up? And how do we? Are we processing eat someplace? Boom, boom, boom. Eat, yes. Eat command. Let's see. What do you want to eat? You can eat it. You ate. Item get description. Okay, maybe I'd like to see like some kind of a you know, some kind of a notice about what how much I'm able to carry now. You know what I mean? Like, it'd be nice to know when I'm playing the game, if I just ate a cookie, that you know I now have 500 more points. I'd like to, you know, it'd be nice to be able to see that someplace on the screen. So maybe think about it, trying to implement that. But let's see, how do I get to the office again? Okay. From the lab. So if I go south to the lab and then east to get to the office. Okay. Go south. Oh. Oh, hold on. Let me just start the game over here. All right, so go south and then go east, right? Magic cookie. So if I say eat cookie, what happens? Hey, I ate the cookie. Okay, cool. Actually, that's cool. I think that'll be good. Then I know that I have more weight. So that's good. Okay, so that's implemented. What else? Items is implemented. Sweet. So I think the only thing left is to implement the characters. Okay. So yeah, let me know if you need any help with that. Like I said, I'm here to help. So, yeah, and make sure you've tested though all this stuff because I haven't rigorously tested everything that I've um, shown you up to this point. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. So um, once the character stuff is implemented, then I can go ahead and send you your final exam. Okay, because once it's implemented and everything's tested and working. Okay.